Okay friends, today we will learn about personal pronoun. Okay, in my last lecture I have explained you in a brief all the category or all the types of pronoun, and first one was personal pronoun. Then today we will study about personal pronoun. Okay, I have told you in a brief the words he, she, it, these are called personal pronoun. Today we will study these personal pronoun in a detailed manner. Okay, so first I am going to start here. Personal pronouns are basically of three types: first person, second person and third person pronoun. So we will start from first person. What is the first person pronoun? First person pronoun. Okay, here we will write here a table that shows here person, here case, here nominative case, objective case, and next is possessive case. Basically there are two types: possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. Okay, so first, the first person pronoun we will study here: singular. Okay, for singular number there is I is a first person. The nominative case of I is, this is first person. Nominative case is I, and objective case is me. Okay, possessive adjective of I is my, and possessive pronoun of I is mine. Okay, yes. Okay, if we talk about plural person, we are writing here we. Okay, nominative case is we, objective case is us, possessive adjective is our, and possessive pronoun is ours. Okay, so we will discuss here what is the first person pronoun. First person pronoun gives the information about a person who is speaking. Means we are getting this information about a speaker in a sentence. So in such situation we will use first person pronoun. I and we both are first person pronoun, and I is a singular first person, we is a plural first person. And these are the nominative case. I is used in a subject, me is used in object, and my is used with possessive adjective, and mine is used in possessive pronoun. ठीक, mine का मतलब होता है मेरा. Here we are talking about more than one, है ना. हम अगर किसी सेंटेंस में कहते हैं कि हम ऐसा काम कर रहे हैं, then हम के लिए आता है we. ओके, I जो है उसका हिंदी में मतलब होता है मेरा या मैं. We of nominative case is we, objective case is us, possessive case is our, and possessive adjective is our, possessive pronoun is ours. Okay, yes. So I am giving some examples to explain it. Now first example is my name is Aditya. Okay, here I am using my. What is this my? My is a possessive adjective. Okay, this is the singular case of possessive adjective. Okay, and my always carry noun with it. it is not used alone. Why? Because it is adjective. So my name is Aditya. Here is my is using as a personal first person singular. Okay. Next one is I went to Delhi. It means that कि मैं दिल्ली गया था. ठीक है. Here I is a nominative case. Yes. Okay. If we are talking about more than one, we will use we. We are good friends. It means that कि हम बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं. Now we are using we. This is also a nominative case of first person pronoun. Okay. So these are the examples we are using here as a first person pronoun. Now I will use here another example. I talked about him. Okay, I talked about him. Here him is used objective case, but it is for third person pronoun, and here I is used as a nominative case of first person pronoun. Okay. Sometime later we will discuss this third person pronoun. First we are talking about the first person pronoun. Okay, let me talk about it. It means that here is me. Me is what? Objective case of first person pronoun. Okay. So here we are using me as an objective case. If we are starting any sentence from let, we use objective case of noun or pronoun after it. So let me talk about it, let me do my work, let him go, है ना, उसे जाने दो. So these are the objective case of pronoun. Yes, so this was the first person pronoun. Okay. After that we will study second person of pronoun. Okay. Yes, second person. Yes, we will again make a table. Here we will write singular. Here we will write plural. Here is nominative case. Second is objective case. Third is possessive case. Similarly, possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. Okay. What is the singular case of pronoun? Singular person of pronoun for second. Yes, second is you for singular. For plural we are using you in nominative case, and in objective case again we are using you in both situation, for nominative case and for objective case. Here is possessive adjective for singular case of second person. Possessive adjective is your. Possessive pronoun is yours. Here is again your and yours. So my friends, we are using second person pronoun in both singular and plural form. In nominative you, objective case you, you, possessive adjective your, and possessive pronoun yours. Okay, now we will study some example here. Your house is grand. Okay, here is possessive adjective, there is noun. So we are using the possessive case for second person pronoun in this sentence. Yours is a good house, है ना, तुम्हारा घर जो है वो अच्छा है. ओके, हियर वी आर यूजिंग योर्स एंड योर्स इज अ possessive case of pronoun. So there is no need of using any noun or any pronoun before or after it. It is used always alone. Okay, this is yours. But if you are using your, we have to attach a noun along with this particular word. Okay, so these are the examples. They are giving explanation about the second person of pronoun. Now we will use some more example. You are my good friend. Okay, here we will use you as a nominative case, and here my good friend, and my is a personal pronoun for first person singular. Here you is used as a nominative case of second person singular. Okay, so this is the example to strengthen my explanation. Let you and me go. It means that you and me both are used here in a objective case, है ना, मुझे और तुम्हें जाने दो, है ना, इस तरीके से हम इसको सेंटेंस को हिंदी में बोलेंगे. Let you and me go. So this is the way we used second person pronoun in nominative case and in objective case. Okay, and I also explained here the possessive adjective and possessive pronoun for the second person pronoun in my examples. Now come to the third person pronoun. Okay, and I want to add one thing also here. Why we use second person pronoun and what the second person pronoun give information to us? Second person pronoun basically gives us the information about a person whom we are talking. Okay, whom we are speaking. First person gives the information about a speaker, and second person gives information about the listener. Okay, now we come to the third person pronoun. Third person, yes, third person for singular and plural. In singular there are he is used in feminine masculine gender, she is used for feminine gender, and it. These are third person singular pronoun. Objective case, him, she for she, her for it is it. Okay, possessive for adjective and pronoun. There are two categories. Possessive adjective for he, his. Here is also his, she, her, and it is hers. It, its, and there will be no possessive pronoun for it. Okay, so guys, we have learned here the third person pronoun are for singular, he is used for masculine gender, she is used for feminine gender, it is used for neuter gender, or basically we use it for the animals or any neuter thing. It is objective case is him for he, objective case is her for she, and it for it. Possessive adjective his, her, its. Pronoun, possessive pronoun his and hers. Okay, so this is the third person singular pronoun. Now we come here, third person plural they. Okay, this is the nominative case. They is used in the case we are using more people. जब हम एक से ज़्यादा की बात कर रहे हैं और थर्ड पर्सन है, then we will use they. Okay, its objective case is them. Possessive adjective their, and possessive pronoun theirs. Okay, so we will use they as a third person plural pronoun. Now I am giving here example. They are going Delhi. मतलब वे कहाँ जा रहे हैं? दिल्ली जा रहे हैं. Here we are using they as a nominative case. Next is let them go. है ना? Here is them. It is objective case of this third person pronoun. Let them go. उन्हें जाने दो. And we can use here he and she are going there. It means that we are talking about he and she. He represents masculine gender, she represents feminine gender, and both are going somewhere. Okay, so these are the examples in which we have learned that how can we use personal pronouns. So third person pronoun basically deals the third person and it gives the information about a third person about whom we are talking. ओके, तो जब भी हम बात करते हैं थर्ड पर्सन की, थर्ड पर्सन प्रोनाउन हमें बताता है कि हम किसी थर्ड पर्सन की बात कर रहे हैं जिसके बारे में है ना हम किसी और से डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन, देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ persons in personal pronoun, and we have studied these personal pronouns one by one by making these tables. Okay, and we have also discussed or we have understood how to use these personal pronouns in sentences. Now we will practice for these pronouns in a mixed manner and we will make some sentences. Okay, now I am writing here a sentence. It is I who have helped you. Okay, it is the pattern in which we are using it. It is a personal pronoun here and I is a personal pronoun here, and it is used like this. It is I, यानी कि वो मैं हूँ. Who have helped you, जिसने तुम्हारी मदद की. It is I who am guilty. Okay, this is as similar as the pattern we have used in first sentence. It is I, मतलब वो मैं हूँ. Who am guilty, है ना, जो अपराधी है, जिसने अपराध किया है. Okay, so in such sentence we use such personal pronoun. Okay, now let me discuss here. Next is suppose it is raining. Here we are talking about बरसात हो रही है. So here we are using it as a nominative case. It is raining. It is holiday. Okay, means क्या है ये? हॉलीडे है, छुट्टी का दिन है. ओके, सो वी हैव यूज्ड हियर it as a personal pronoun. It basically used for the non-living things or the animals. Or suppose we also use it for the child or baby whom gender is not familiar for us. Okay, we don't know about the gender of any child, whether the child is he or she, then we use it. Okay guys, now I am also using here. For the question arises, if we are using more than one personal pronoun in a sentence, then what should be the sequence? Okay, the sequence should be 2 3 1 for good sense. Okay, good sense means if we are making a sentence and the manner or the sense of the person is good, then we use 2 3 1 sequence. 2 3 1 means second person first, then third person, then first person. Okay, so you, he and I are friends. Okay, it means that you, he and I, there are three personal pronoun. You, he and I are friends. Okay, so we will follow this sequence 2 3 1. Next is, suppose there are only two personal pronoun, you and I, then we will follow the sequence 2 3 2 1 or 3 1. Okay, it means that second person pronoun, third person pronoun, if we are using two personal pronoun, second and one, if three is not there, third and one. This sequence will be followed if we are using only two personal pronoun, not using all three. You and I went Bhopal. Okay, you means तुम, I means मैं, है ना, कहाँ गए? भोपाल गए. But this sequence will be reverse. 1 2 3. Not good sense. Not good sense means if anything derogatory or anything wrongdoing has been done, then we will reverse this sequence. First will come, then second, then third. This sequence will follow. Suppose I, you and he made robbery. ओके, यहाँ पर क्या हुआ है? मैंने, है ना, तुमने और उसने मिलकर क्या की? रॉबरी की. ओके, so this is a wrong thing. That's why we are using the sequence 1 2 3. Similarly, if we are not using all three personal pronoun, there are only two personal pronoun like 1 2, then sequence will be 1 and 2, or if 2 and 3, then 2 and 3, and 2 is absent, then 1 and 3. Okay, this sequence will be followed in all situation if something wrong has been done or something showing that in a sentence is being wrong has been done. In such situation, we follow this sequence 1 2 3. First person, second person, then third person. Yes. Okay, and in the last, I want to share one example with you. Suppose I am talking about a person who is principal. Okay, the principal and teacher is attending meeting. Okay, I am writing one example, and as similar to this example, I am writing here the principal and the teacher are attending meeting. Okay, it means that there are two sentences, they appear as similar to other one, but there are some difference, grammatical difference. The principal and teacher is attending meeting. It means that if we are using any article with noun or pronoun at first, and we are not using any article like the after and, then the person is singular, the person is only one. Okay, so we will use here is. This is singular verb. But in second example, the person is the principal and the teacher. Okay, you can see that and is connecting both words, principal and teacher. Here we are using the with principal and also using the with teacher. It means that both persons are different, so the verb will be plural. Okay, these are the third persons, but only article make difference. It means that in this sentence we can say that the person is a single man, only a man who is attending meeting. Here principal and teacher both are attending meeting. Here principal is himself a teacher, principal खुद ही teacher है, यहाँ पर principal अलग है and teachers अलग है. Okay, so here we are using third person subject and we are assessing or we are understanding how the verbs will be used in such situation or in such manner. So students, we have learnt here how can we use personal pronoun at various places in sentences and how they change their role in sentence. Okay, I hope so you have learned something. Now I am ending this particular lecture here, and I would like to say, please like this video and share this video with your friends. Okay, yes, have a nice day. Thank you so much.